How to register Zara app. If you want to register for Zara app or account, it is very simple to do so. So Zara is basically an online shopping platform that you can use to buy some goods or anything online, right? So you can first of all go ahead and then open up the Zara application, and this is a type of interface that you will basically be able to see. Now here you can see enter option. You can tap on the enter button right over there, and you can just agree to the cookies and terms and conditions, and we will simply tap on the continue button again. Now basically after we've done that, again we'll go ahead and then tap and allow the permissions that it requires. Now what we will do is we'll just come to the account tab from the bottom right, and here you can see login or register. So if you don't have an account, you can tap on the register button and simply make sure to enter the email address of which you want to create an account with. Choose a password that you want to create an account for, and once then you can also go ahead and then enter your first name as well as your last name. So let me also go ahead and then basically do that right there. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and then enter your phone number, and make sure to enter the phone number of your choice. You can agree to the terms and conditions, tap on the create account button, and your Zara account will be successfully created. So this way you'll be able to register for Zara accounts. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.